Hello, IGEM Ambassador Dane here. I wanted to share this how-to on reviewing vocab that I've picked up from a couple of my psychology classes. I know it's not something we have to do very often for game development, but it can be helpful for perspective classes or immersions, or I actually found this technique very useful for the GDD1 class. So using these note cards and a Sharpie and just a pencil, we can make some simple note cards with a definition at the top in Sharpie and then a definition or a little drawing underneath in pencil. And that way you can look at it from a distance and see the vocabulary words and quiz yourself, but from up close you can then check against that and review the actual definition. So I recommend taping these note cards to your wall so that you can do just that, as well as maybe engage your spatial memory a little bit more and compare the definitions between the note cards. So these cards behind me are actually from a recent biology exam I took. So here I have this little sketch of gray versus white matter in a neuron. And then as well, this just simple card with the little definition of the cerebellum, which is that area in the back of your brain. So I think this technique is a little bit more fun and more effective way to review than just going over the slides. And it's also a little bit more effective than Quizlet, because anyone who's taken an intro to psych class knows that writing things down can help you remember them for longer. There's also something to putting them on your wall and engaging your spatial memory, which can be far more accurate than your linguistic or deterministic memory. If you want a better example of this, think about how accurately you can remember someone's house that you've been in once versus how difficult it can be to memorize a poem or lyrics to a song. And I hope you find something like this useful, and good luck on all your future exams and have a great semester.